St. Elizabeth is the best parish in Jamaica. Is that correct, Mummy?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Each time you take a spoonful, look at that. Look at that. Is that pure, natural cow skin? What are you doing to get up on?
I'm looking at fish.
Looking at fish. Oh.
I'm here fling this
Turn it down. So hey guys, I'm at one of my favorite spots in St. Elizabeth. This is called the Soup Lady at Speed Bump.
It's a sweet potato.
You got sweet potato right here, and you got cornmeal pudding. You got this corn. So it's a different. So this is a corn pudding. So it's not like the refined cornmeal.
No, not refined.
Oh, I will definitely have to try this one. Yes, and she have the drops, and she also had the coconut drops. And what is this?
Toto.
That's plain cake.
Plain cake, and this one?
Toto.
And this is toto.
Here.
Oh my God! So I definitely have to try the toto. I may have to try the drops.
You got them nice.
How much for your drops, them?
250 for those.
250. Oh my God! This looks so good. And there's not a time that I'm not here, Slado. You come and get the good soup. One of the best soup you will find.
Just add the soup from Kingston straight down to Country.
So yes, that's in the best soup. Matter of fact, the best soup in Jamaica, with no question asked. Because guess what? St. Elizabeth is the best. St. Elizabeth is the best parish in Jamaica. Is that correct, Mummy?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we are the bread basket of Jamaica. Learn that.
No.
Nothing. There's nothing you can. The best woman, the most, the best woman. Yes, we could cook, we can clean, we make a good wife.
And we're not ugly neither.
And we're not ugly. We're the prettiest woman in Jamaica. You see that? We're the prettiest woman in Jamaica. Look at us. I tell you, sir, if you're looking at a wife, you need to come to St. Elizabeth with no question asked. We are the best. And I'll be ever grateful. Hey, what's up? So anybody looking at a wife out there, wherever you are in the world, come to St. Elizabeth in Jamaica and visit the best woman, the best food, the people, the culture, you name it, we are the best. We don't take no check from nobody. As always. Right, that's all.
We are very authentic.
Don't cover.
So you're very authentic and you are down to earth.
Don't cover them. Don't cover them.
Just like that.
Alright.
Cover my one. Don't cover your one. Far away I forgot. Good journey.
Good journey.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that looks so good. Look at that rich flavor in the soup. Let me have a spoon. Let me can show them how much of that. So this one is mine. So which one is?
Cover this one.
Cover that one.
So which one is for Maurice?
This one.
That one, and this is for me.
Okay, that's a 500 one.
So how much? This is yours, right? So you want one like that?
No more one like yours.
Okay.
I want to share again.
Yes, I share it.
Oh my God. So, you know, as again, say something to Oneyardie. Tell them Oneyardie where to come.
Yeah, Oneyardie?
Yeah, Oneyardie on YouTube.
Okay. Strictly Stevens Run. The soup shop in Stevens Run train line. Can't go wrong.
That's all, right, that's all. Because where we live in a land, wood and water. Because Jamaica nice. We're good like that, so yes.
Very much so.
So who is missing now?
So,
Mm-hmm.
this is a one-stop shop.
So you're going to make me fat now, you know? You're going to make me put on weight. Because my doctor said I not eat
You
it.
won't be putting on any weight because you're doing it in moderation. You won't be eating this every day.
Okay then, alright then. Okay. So what our damage is? And let me use that spoon. I want to show the people how many, if each time you lift up, so hold this on my slider. Let me show them how many soups When you lift up, each time you take a spoonful, look at that.
Oh,
look
God.
at that. Is that pure natural cow skin that grow in Jamaica, not no camouflage, not no carbon copy.
Hey.
This is all grass-fed cow.
Oh my God.
My, and look at that, look at that yellow yam.
Jesus.
You know, and you have the peanut inside of it. Look at the peanut. Oh my God. Oh God, let me tell you something. You cannot not come to St. Elizabeth and not have the soup. This I'm telling about the man them who want to make the babies come right here and get this soup.
Oh my
God. So give them a drink some for me show them. Alright, this one.
The baby maker them, yeah?
The baby maker. Yes, each time, listen to me, I tell anybody to come here and have this soup from I was, this place been here before I was born. Yes, I remember the elder lady used to be here before. What happened? She's okay?
No, she died.
Oh,
That's
my condolence to you. Yes.
She and her
Condolence.
husband?
Yes.
Yeah, but she died and just the other day too.
Oh, my condolence to her and the family, you know?
Yes.
Yes, so how much do I owe you?
Okay, so let me, you having yours now or you covering it?
I'm gonna have it.
Alright, so.
Can I get a spoon, please?
You did not get any, sorry.
I told you, you're gonna love this soup, I tell you, you're gonna come back. I'm telling you, you're gonna come back for this soup.
I know, trust me.
Yes, and this is not just in Jamaica. It's the best, because Jamaica have the best food. Me not care what I want to happen, you know. And I see any nastiness, we still have the best food. We still are one of the most, Jamaicans are one of the most cleanest people in the world. So nobody can feel like listen, we look bad at the day and I can't go like say we food good. We food just good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, put it.
Look at this. And look at that rich. Look at that rich cow skin. You know something about this that I'm telling you people. I'm telling you. You have to come to Speed Bump.
No, this is train line.
Train, you see me, I'll mix up myself. Train line.
Train line.
Stephen Run, train line. You just have to come. And if you look for my friend, look there. Look there. You get 3 roti. A roti around what that there. Toto. 3 toto in my alone I eat. Oh, potato pudding, you see it?
Alright.
I miss one man down a thing there, you know. Down a chilani. The chilani, I don't know but he have the best potato. Potato pudding. I buy him, I dash away. You see it tastes nasty? Alright then, my friend. Alright then.
You can give my food.
Oh, sure. Come here.
Just take pay for myself. So right about now, I'm here in Alligator Pond. And my lady friend here. Wait, Miss Ju. Are you named Miss Julie again? No. Sister Moose. Sister Moose is here scaling the fish.
So you do it here?
And she's a fish vendor. You can see that we're picking up the fish in Alligator Pond. And we are going to make some fish later on for dinner. So we drove all the way from Wamistock to Alligator Pond, and funny enough, this is the where I grew up in Alligator Pond, and it's always a pleasure to come back and always visit Alligator Pond, because you get the fish them off the boat, and the ladies them sell the fish on the side, and it's good. So it's very good to have it, and you can see they have all the fish. Oh baby, fish. And this is the lionfish right here. And that big lionfish. We're gonna be careful with this lionfish because you know what happened when you have the lionfish. Yes, everybody know what happened with lionfish. And I don't know these people. These people are strangers. Never met them before. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Yes, and what do you do in Alligator Pond here?
Buying fish.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon. What are you doing in Alligator Pond?
I'm looking at fish.
Looking at fish. Oh, sir. And excuse me, sir. And what you in Alligator Pond doing right now?
Counting money.
Counting money. That's good. You see, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the rest of the sea. It's a seaside village, And they have a lot of little restaurants and bar and stuff. All of this is just a seaside village, so you know, it's not a beach to swim. And I would advise anybody, if you're not a professional swimmer, do not enter into this, because it's funny. Growing up, the beach was way out. The sea, I should say, the sea was way out, and now it's all the way in. You know, so I would say it's global warming, because I mean, all the infrastructure and the beach has torn down because of the erosion that is coming in. All that one we are walking through plastic in the ocean, and if you cut it out, stop pollute, clean up after yourself, and stop throw the garbage in the sea. What left of the sea village that was like, you know, that's where the river is at. You okay, Nala?
Stop me, look at me too.
And as I said, growing up, the sea was all the way out, but now so close in that all the infrastructures and the beach has, you know,
It disappear.
and all the vendors have to move up to the top because of what I call it, global warming. And as I can see it, I don't know what they're doing, if they're putting in a line, what
They're pulling in that boat.
they're putting in the boat.
Yeah, that boat. And the
But
boat.
normally you have to be something that he's pulling,
And they are pulling. And they are pulling. And the anchor is
my home, you know, my hometown where I always remember me and my father would be here, and it looks so different, but whenever I come to Jamaica and I have the time, I always come here because it always brings back childhood memories of me swimming. Even though, funny enough, I cannot swim for dear life. You know, but it's always a pleasure coming back home from Alligator Pond. Growing up, I always known it as St. Elizabeth, but now everybody call it Manchester. So I would say a part of it is in Manchester and a part of it is in St. Elizabeth. I guess this side is Manchester. So go that side is St. Elizabeth. If you're not a professional swimmer, I advise people not to go in. But you don't see anyone. No one in the water. No one. It's so dangerous to be in this water. I'm telling you. Even my good friend Slado is not that professional to go in this water. Even though he thinks that he's a
fish.
A fish. Watch out.
No crab.
This is just beautiful. This is just amazing. This is just, look at it. What anybody could ask for. You know, this is just, and you look over there, you can just see a lot of people on this side. Beautiful. And then after this, we are go home and we are going to fry some fish, and we are going to roast some fish, and we are going to do some lobster for Uno. You know what we are doing for, hey, Oneyardie.
No blue crab?
Whenever, no blue crab, but whenever I come to Jamaica, I have to really enjoy the ambience and the food. And you know what, Jamaica make the best food, no matter what them say.
No matter what them say.
No matter what them say, no matter what they still say, no. God. And it's make me look bad already here, but that's how it goes. And I would have money, I would have old man.
What you have to say? And what you have to say?
Nothing you have to say, but I would have old man.
Doggy, I say.
No, Doggy, I eat that. Doggy, I know say Doggy a madman.
Go ahead and boat.
Well, look at, not say hello to the madman. Hello, madman. Hello, madman.
Go ahead and boat. Never people boat.
Mad something. He just jumped off in the water a while ago, and the sea is rough. I don't see him come back up. He just jumped off. This is all the boat that went out to sea this morning. All of them. All of them. But it's crazy. Oh, look at him. Right here. You have to tie the boat out there because it looks like something is definitely going on with the boat. Something is going on with this boat. Probably I don't know if it break down or what, but the sea is rough. When I say the sea is rough, I mean the sea is rough. All the fishermen coming. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this boat, but it's rough. So I'm gonna get my fish from the lady that scaled my fish, and I'm gonna go and cook some fish, some real fish that out of the sea, fresh, nice, good fish. Me nah give nobody none. So all who beg nah get none, and who no beg no one, cause I'm me alone and my big friend Salado going to eat fish. Right, Salado? I mean, I'm no long talking with nobody. Well, and this so I labor and meet my labor right. I never know how to burn them out.
Okay, that's.
You know, look homeless. You know, they look homeless. You know, some people they have. Who didn't know they have homeless people in Jamaica? Cause me never know that. I just see one. Hold on, I labor. You labor right? A shower. Yo, watch it down. Yo, I know a bro God with hey. Right, that's all. Bro God. That with that. Ah, look here, for the PMP man. I feel sorry for him, you know. I feel sorry for him because there's no way because of bro God with that. Right, that's all. Straight. Bro God, yo, me I say, otherwise I don't know what to say. Me not call on him, but me I tell you no. In spite of how I feel about bro God, I think not everything we agree with him, but him a do him thing, right? That's all I never say, right? That's all. Alright? Right, that's all. So, on the beach, we have a little restaurant, they have bars, they have a place where you can come and have your fresh fish. And me don't want my foot get wet up. So me now go over there so. I don't want my foot get wet up. Right there so. May I tell you? So we live in the sea, you can see. The music. Copyright. So hey my people
I'm here fling this
turn it down, turn it off.
I don't want
to play in the background, please. Anyway. And please don't put my good friend Yacht on it, please. He requested not to be on the video. And please respect his privacy. Please respect his privacy. I'm just letting him know that in respect. Like, what's up, my people? It's your girl, Georgia Oneyardie. So I'm back in the war minister again. I'm back in a war minister. So if it's the first time visiting this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the page. So you know what I do? I cook some chicken back. I buy 10 pounds of chicken back because I'm a cousin birthday and I could only afford 10 pounds of chicken back and 10 pounds of rice. So that's what I'm making for her. And is that a good thing? Yeah. And but me still have my lobster I buy for myself. I mean I give her none because she don't get no lobster. But she will definitely get the chicken back because that's why I can't eat work chicken back.
That's your
Chicken back and everything.
That's your stuff.
Nothing used to anyhow.
If you give me lobster and
if you give me lobster, maybe you get sick. So you can't even do that. You have to give me chicken back. So I make up some wood fire. Yeah. You know me talk. Wood. You know see me wood there, sir. Then wood there, sir.
But alright, man, cannot do it too. But you got a free market.
Hello, nobody in my yard not tell me good evening. This is. Excuse you, come back down, go out through the gate and come back. This is my home, please get out of my yard and come back up and tell good evening.
I don't know if your yard is I don't know where you're from.
You just come in at my yard. You just come in at my yard. Don't just step past me like you don't see me after my yard. How do I go to there?
Go to go
I feel more than my care come out.
But see one day saying go chat that?
You go chat that they wood up there, so?
Yeah, okay.
Move a dirty dog, yeah, move. So right here, so? But just go buy my lobster right by it. Like I him alive. No, sir. No, this one are frozen. Then me have the fish. But for my cousin not eat them as something, yeah.
You mean?
What? My cousin don't eat them as something, yeah. Because why she not eat them? Because they will run her belly. Because she not used to them. That's why I can't eat to her. I lie. So you give me piece of fried chicken and you have diarrhea later? Because you have I never eat nothing because I never get nothing to eat neither. A junior alone with the hungry belly.
No, 7 times people are going to give them lunch. So them are starve. No, left me for work and not give me no lunch. Maris, me attack you, look and hold your head in.
I never get 2 cigarettes.
You don't think away chop for them?
I'm not thinking where you want to go.
Yes, sir. Who don't catch 12? So, me I wait for the wood to make up the fire from morning. And me can't find the wood. I pay ants there, sir?
Man?
I pay ants. If I move, I pay ants. And I put ants ants days. So alright then, so we have cut up a chicken back here. True, me no like the cold, that's why I mean the chicken back. So for me, auntie I cut up a chicken back. And make sure say you cut up a good to kind of young girl and know where I do. A young girl name ya.
A old man.
Old man who can't cook, but you can't cook? Oh, I thought so. My can I say like that? Lasco! How long me I call you? Come on, from morning me I call you Lasco. Lasco! You can't get up my wood fire coolie.
You can't get me wood?
No wood.
You don't know. I
One pan to put them on. You have to stick the ants here, so I have pea ants there.
So we go hot water there. We go hot water there.
Or ashes. And when I chop it, I want to put it in the pan and clean it. I want to clean it same time.
You stop it?
Ma'am, pass one dish pan there, please. Let me get it cooked. See, when you beg money, no, because your body nails done and for me can't done. Look here. A rich place.
I may take this and fuck you on your face. I'm going to move something for me for me kick you. I chat wood. The green? That green? Yeah man, that green?
Are you serious?
Still we catch. Nah, Mario. Are you going like I say, pressure? I'm not a pressure. What? All over there, so then go.
You can start to do that. Huh? Yeah, you know what's up. I don't blaze no to blaze. I would know how to make fire.
You deserve it. Alright, Junior. Alright, what we doing?
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlled.
Hindi ka ba niya kayo dad?
Eskwela niya? Awin ka dad from Johnson?
Aling niya sa coach, hindi lang ako sa ito.
Kung naipipan mo?
Nawali ka ito, nawali mo na ito.
Sinta dyan ko lang mas isa ka dito.
Daddy! Come here, Yuzi.
See fire burner.
Jag får liksom prata jävelin. Jag får ano siya lo niya ami pa sifa.
No, men det var skillnad, vi har pandemi.
Och jag får pa sifa. Inte jag kok som en sifa på din fa. Det var så onion. Det ser det que du lateralmente mina kundo. Dia mina gona ya baka ya fit ko fa ni ko. Ina mai baka ma fit ko fa ni. Ya garlic? No. Jesus peace.
Talking.
Pepper. Lobster ya smell ya.
Jam out that's all and brown pepper. Because I think it's green. Can put on the seed with me.
Why you put on one for can't talk to Maurice in ya. Let me alone.
I find probably going to what you going to ask you about. What's that on the have all the big for them outside.
It's not a little more. So, I curry chicken back. I put on the white rice now.
Look at the best of it. You know what?
We didn't put the onion so we
It's a job.
Right,
Mama said don't put on the fish pan. Mama said don't put on the fish pan.
I tell fish them no season.
I can't but you see me. You see lately, we don't have the energy for your people there. Cause that day, I picking it that day. Where you find him from? We need some garlic.
Go around and buy some garlic and something.
And onion.
Onion. Go around and buy some onion and garlic.